Hey there! Today, we're diving into the world of anti-inflammatory foods. And trust me, you're going to want these on your grocery list. We're talking about real food with real power to make you feel better. These aren't miracle cures, but they're scientifically proven to help your body fight inflammation, the root cause of so many health issues. If you've ever wondered how to boost your body's natural defenses, fight off chronic inflammation, and even feel more energized, all through food, stick around because this video is packed with all the essentials. We'll break down the science behind each food and I'll give you practical tips on how to easily incorporate them into your diet. Alright, let's get started with a simple question. What exactly is inflammation? Think of inflammation as your body's built-in defense system. Let's kick things off with a sweet treat that's both delicious and incredibly good for you. Berries. We're talking strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, the whole berry family. Why are these little guys so special? It's their high concentration of antioxidants. Antioxidants neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting your cells. Berries are like little fire extinguishers, putting out the flames of inflammation in your body. They're packed with vitamins C and E, essential for a healthy immune system. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, in smoothies, on top of yogurt or oatmeal. The possibilities are endless. Aim for at least a handful of berries a day to reap their incredible anti-inflammatory benefits. Remember, incorporating these foods is about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Start small, be consistent, and your body will thank you. Next up, we're moving on to a group of vegetables that are nutritional powerhouses. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens. These are the MVPs of the vegetable kingdom. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for overall health and fighting inflammation. One of the key reasons leafy greens are so good at combating inflammation is their high concentration of polyphenols. Polyphenols are powerful plant compounds that reduce the activity of inflammatory pathways in the body. Adding leafy greens to your diet is easier than you might think. You can enjoy them in salads, smoothies, soups, stews, or even sautéed as a side dish. Simple changes like adding a handful of leafy greens to your plate can make a world of difference. Now, let's talk about a delicious and satisfying way to fight inflammation: fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna. These fish are rich in protein and packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Our bodies need a balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, but the modern diet often lacks omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids help to counteract this imbalance by reducing the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. Aim to include at least 2 servings of fatty fish in your diet per week. You can grill it, bake it, pan fry it. The options are endless. And if you're not a fan of fish, you can also get omega-3s from supplements like fish oil or algae oil. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet is a delicious and effective way to support your body's natural defenses against inflammation. When it comes to fighting inflammation, don't underestimate the power of nuts. These bite-sized snacks are nutritional powerhouses, packed with healthy fats, fiber, protein, and essential minerals like magnesium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating inflammation in the body. It acts as a natural muscle relaxant, helping to alleviate muscle tension and soreness, which can contribute to inflammation. Nuts are also an excellent source of antioxidants like vitamin E, which protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Incorporating nuts into your diet is incredibly easy. Keep a bag of mixed nuts on hand for a quick and satisfying snack. Sprinkle them on top of your yogurt or oatmeal, or add them to your salads for a satisfying crunch. Remember, a handful of nuts a day can go a long way in supporting your body's natural defenses against inflammation. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as they are calorie-dense. Let's talk about olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet and a culinary superstar known for its flavor and health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil, in particular, is a potent anti-inflammatory agent thanks to its unique combination of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. One of the key compounds found in extra virgin olive oil is oleocanthal, which has been shown to have similar effects to ibuprofen, a common anti-inflammatory drug. Oleocanthal works by blocking the production of inflammatory enzymes in the body, reducing pain and swelling. Make extra virgin olive oil your go-to oil for cooking, salad dressings, and even drizzling over bread. Its rich flavor and potent anti-inflammatory properties make it a delicious and healthy addition to your diet. Remember, not all olive oils are created equal. Look for extra virgin olive oil, which is the least processed and retains the highest levels of beneficial compounds. Next on our list is a spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric. The active compound in turmeric that gives it its anti-inflammatory superpowers is called curcumin. Curcumin works by blocking inflammatory pathways in the body, reducing the production of inflammatory chemicals. Studies have shown that curcumin can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs in reducing pain and inflammation, especially in people with conditions like arthritis. Adding turmeric to your diet is easy and delicious. You can sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, stir it into soups and stews, or even enjoy it in a warm latte with almond milk and honey. Remember, curcumin is best absorbed by the body when consumed with black pepper, so make sure to pair them together for maximum benefit. Don't underestimate the power of the humble tomato. This juicy fruit, often mistaken for a vegetable, is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help fight inflammation. One of the key antioxidants found in tomatoes is lycopene. Lycopene gives tomatoes their vibrant red color and has been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and age-related macular degeneration. Studies have shown that lycopene can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, especially in the lungs. Cooking tomatoes, especially in the presence of healthy fats like olive oil, actually increases their lycopene content. So go ahead and enjoy those tomato sauces, soups, and stews. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet is an easy and delicious way to boost your intake of lycopene and fight inflammation. Garlic isn't just for warding off vampires. It's also a powerful inflammation fighter. The active compound in garlic that gives it its anti-inflammatory properties is called allicin. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped and has been shown to have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Allicin works by blocking the activity of enzymes involved in the inflammatory process, reducing the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. Adding garlic to your diet is easy and delicious. You can add it to sauces, soups, stews, marinades, or even roast it whole with vegetables. Remember, to maximize the allicin content, crush or chop garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking. Let's raise a cup to green tea, a beverage that's been enjoyed for centuries for its delicate flavor and numerous health benefits. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. One particular catechin, epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, is a superstar when it comes to fighting inflammation. Studies have shown that green tea consumption is linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease, thanks in part to its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Enjoy a cup or two of green tea throughout the day, either hot or cold. Remember, opt for high-quality green tea and avoid adding sugar for maximum health benefits. Last but not least, let's talk about ginger, a spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its digestive and anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogals, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds work by blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, reducing pain and swelling. Studies have shown that ginger can be effective in reducing inflammation associated with osteoarthritis, muscle soreness, and menstrual cramps. You can enjoy ginger in many ways. Add fresh ginger to smoothies, stir-fries, or soups. Enjoy a cup of ginger tea with lemon and honey. Remember, a little ginger goes a long way. Start with small amounts and gradually increase as needed. Now, imagine if you could enjoy meals that naturally support your health goals and help you feel more energized. These foods don't just work on inflammation. They contribute to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle overall. Whether you're dealing with a specific issue or just aiming for better wellness, These foods can play a key role in that journey. Next time you're planning your meals, try including some of these foods. Start small. Maybe a side of leafy greens, a handful of berries for a snack, or a sprinkle of turmeric in your soup. And if you're really motivated, challenge yourself to make at least one of these foods a daily habit. At the end of the week, see if you feel any different. Your body might just thank you with better energy, fewer aches, or a clearer mind. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos on natural health and wellness. Thanks for watching and see you next time.